Welcome to the Transitioning Care to a New Health Plan presentation, a health insurance topic. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to identify if your healthcare provider is covered by another plan, change your primary care provider or primary care clinic, change your specialists or health plan while receiving complex care, find more help with transitioning care, and enroll in a new health plan. Let's get started and look at the topic of healthcare providers, specifically how to find a health plan that covers your provider, how to change your primary care provider or primary care clinic if needed, and how to help with transitioning ongoing treatments or complex care, or other services you may need help with. First, you will need to search for a new health plan that covers your provider and needs. To do this, you must go to the Benefits Available to Me page on the etf.wi.gov website. Move your mouse over Benefits in the main menu. Then click Benefits Available to Me from the drop-down menu. Enter a keyword from your employer's name. For retirees, this would be your most recent employer's name, and click the health plan card. This card will start with the word state or local. Once you're on the health plan page, scroll down and click the card that applies to you: employees, retirees, or retirees with Medicare. In this demonstration, I'm clicking employees, but it works the same way for each card. On the health insurance page, scroll down to Getting Started and click the health plan search card. On the health plan search page, use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your search by county or state, local or nationwide coverage, or plan type, Medicare or non-Medicare. Since I clicked employees, I'm going to use a non-Medicare plan type. There's also an option to search by county, but you can see what counties are covered under each plan name as well. Once you've found a health plan that seems to fit your service area, click on the title of the health plan to take you to the health plan description page. On the health plan page, you will find a description of the plan along with other details such as any changes, emergency and urgent care information, health systems covered, and other information. To access the provider directory, you will see a quick link on the right side of the page under the health plan logo, along with a link to their website. Click the link to be taken to either a search page or a PDF document of providers to see if your provider is covered by this health plan. There are a few important things to keep in mind when changing your primary care provider, also called a PCP, or primary care clinic, or PCC. First, a PCP or PCC are required by each health plan. You can always contact your new health plan for help finding a PCP or PCC with your preferences. If you don't have a PCP or PCC, your health plan may assign you one since it is a requirement. Always contact your health plan if you want to change your PCP or PCC anytime throughout the year. If you need to change your specialist, contact your current provider for recommendations of a new provider. Contact your new health plan if you are receiving ongoing or complex care, such as pregnancy, chemotherapy, preparing for surgery, or other chronic conditions. The new health plan can help you with transitioning your care to the new plan and provide you with options for transitioning your care. If you do run into issues with the transition of your care, you should first speak with your health plan and provider to make sure that you have covered all the requirements necessary. If those requirements have been met and you are still experiencing issues, speak with one of ETF's knowledgeable benefits specialists. You can reach them at 1-877-533-5020 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Now let's look at some resources that may help you with transitioning care or other health insurance needs. Go to the Benefits Available to Me page to find all of the WRS benefits available to you by your employer. Go to etf.wi.gov/benefits-by-employer. The insurance page on our ETF website provides you with easy access to health insurance along with supplemental benefits like dental, vision, and life insurance. Just look for insurance in the main menu. Go to etf.wi.gov/insurance. Stay connected to ETF. Go to our website at etf.wi.gov to get up-to-date information about your WRS benefits by subscribing to ETF email updates, talking with a benefits specialist, or subscribing to one of our social media sites.